what'd you think of your prunes, Blake? Did you like your prunes? Really? Whoa. Are you gonna eat that hand now? Oh, you're pretty happy about the prunes, I think. Yes. You got the thumb in there now. I was trying to capture how cute you are sucking on your thumb. Yeah, you're cute no matter what you do. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, I think we got thumb sucker. I think we got thumb sucker. Yeah. You're a sweet girl. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.